to the NoobTube YouTube channel for December 18th, 2022. This was day 110. So I basically did a little bit of books and a little bit of the solar business, but most of the day was consumed because I took a trip to my mother's house. It's a couple hours away from where I live, and we had an extended family Christmas gathering at her house. We celebrated Christmas there with the extended family on Sunday. So we spent a good amount of time. It takes a couple hours to get there, a couple hours to get back, and but it was still a great time. I only exercised for 1 minute. I did get on the treadmill and do 1 minute because that's my actual goal, is to do 1 minute. Although I normally do 45 minutes of walking. But on this day, it was a good opportunity to give my body a break. And I kept true to myself, did the 1 minute. I didn't do the calling, and I am recommitting myself to doing the calling starting the day after tomorrow. I just kind of got into a funk, but I'm going to recover. I acknowledge and forgive myself, and I will accept that, and I will strive to I am committed to doing better in subsequent days with calling. The same kind of concept with the treadmill, just getting at least, let's just say 1%, 1% calling. No matter what, I will do 1% no matter what. So that's the 1% of my contact list will be contacted no matter what. So if you have any questions, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Thanks.